Ready to start a healthy lifestyle but feel totally overwhelmed by all the advice out there? I get it. It feels like you need to change everything overnight. But here's the secret. Living healthy isn't about perfection. It's about starting with small, simple habits that make you feel good. Think of it as a journey, not a race. Let's break down the first few steps you can take today without turning your life upside down. First up, let's talk about sleep. It's the foundation of everything. You can have the perfect diet and exercise plan, but if you're not sleeping well, none of it works as well. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Before bed, put your phone away, maybe read a book or just relax. This simple routine tells your body it's time to rest and recover, giving you more energy, a clearer mind, and a stronger immune system. Next, hydration. This one is so simple, but so many of us forget it. Water is crucial for everything from digestion to brain function. Feeling tired, getting headaches, or struggling to focus, you might just be dehydrated. Don't wait until you're super thirsty. Keep a water bottle with you and take sips throughout the day. It's an easy win that makes a huge difference in how you feel. Now, let's tackle food. A healthy lifestyle isn't about extreme diets or cutting out everything you love. It's about fueling your body with good stuff. Start by adding more whole foods to your plate, things like fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins. You don't have to give up your favorite treats, just think about portion control. And try eating mindfully. Slow down, savor your food, and pay attention to when you feel full. This builds a much healthier relationship with eating. Movement is another key piece, but you don't need a gym membership or intense workouts to get started. The goal is just to move your body in ways you actually enjoy. It could be a daily walk in the park, dancing in your living room, stretching while you watch TV, or even gardening. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day is a fantastic start. Consistent movement boosts your mood, strengthens your body, and builds momentum. And we can't forget mental health. Stress and anxiety can quietly sabotage your physical health. Take a few minutes each day for yourself. This could be deep breathing, spending time in nature, or just doing a hobby you love. Creating a little space for mental calm helps you make better decisions and feel more balanced overall. Remember, this is your personal journey. What works for someone else might not work for you. Experiment, be curious, and find what feels good for your body and your life. Progress isn't always a straight line. If you have an off day, don't sweat it. Just get back on track the next day with self-compassion. The most important thing is consistency, not perfection. You're building a foundation for a healthier, happier you, one small step at a time. You've got this.